everyone, a very warm welcome back to my YouTube channel. I'm so happy to have you here today. Today I'm going to show you how to make a delicious fish curry. This curry is perfect match for paratha, chapati, bread, roti or even appam. Let's see how to make it. First, let's look at the ingredients. I have 400 gram of clean kingfish, 2 tablespoons of ginger garlic paste, 1 small chopped onion, some curry leaves and pandan leaf, half a chopped tomato and 3 finely chopped green chilies, 1 teaspoon of curry powder, 2 teaspoons of chili powder, half a teaspoon of turmeric powder, 2 teaspoons of black pepper powder, 1 teaspoon of garcinia paste, salt to taste, 3 cardamoms, cloves and piece of cinnamon. Let's start cooking. First, place a pan on the stove and add 2 tablespoons of coconut oil. Once the oil is hot, add the crushed ginger and garlic. Next, add the chopped onion, curry leaves, pandan leaves, cardamom, cloves and cinnamon. Mix everything well and fry until then turn golden brown. Now let's add the spices. Add 2 teaspoons of chili powder, 1 teaspoon of raw curry powder and mix well. Now add half a teaspoon of turmeric powder. Give it a quick mix. Now add the chopped tomatoes and green chilies. Mix it well. Let the tomatoes soften in the oil. Once the tomatoes are cooked, carefully add the fish pieces. Mix gently so the fish does not break. Now add 2 teaspoons of black pepper and 1 teaspoon of garcinia paste. Since we already add the tomato, the garcinia will give in the perfect balance. Now add enough water to cover the fish pieces. Don't forget to add salt to taste at this point. Give it a gentle stir, cover it with a lid and let it cook for about 15 minutes on medium heat. After 15 minutes, wow, look at this. The gravy is nice and very thick. This smell is amazing. And it is perfect to eat with bread, roti, paratha, hoppers or string hoppers. I hope you try this delicious fish curry at home. If you like it, please leave a comment below. I invite you, stay tuned for my videos. Thank you so much for watching today. See you again soon in another video. Have a wonderful day. Goodbye.